What is going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Flipping Cars to the Top. In today's video, guys, we are on the Fiat Punto. I've got my brother's mate interested in coming to see the car later today. Unfortunately, the fan in this car does not work. Apparently, it's quite a common fault on these Fiats. So I have ordered one of them, like a relay things. I will show you what it is. Give me 1 second. I have ordered one of these bad boys, so I'm going to swap it out and hopefully that fixes the fan, and then the guy can take the car today because he don't want it unless the fan is fixed. So we need to try and get that sorted. Let's get on it and I will continue the video once I've fitted it. Hopefully it does the job. If not, we're screwed. Let's get on it. Right, guys, I've changed one of these. It's like a resistor for the heater, blower, fan, everything, and still not working. So I've also bought the motor as well, just in case, because I did switch this over yesterday and it didn't work. So I went to Car Parts and I bought another one just in case the other one was faulty, but still doesn't work. So I've got a blower as well, so let's try that, plug it in, see if it works. I'll show you what's actually happening. Have a look at it. So pretty much a common fault with these Fiats, nothing at all. So yep, as you see, I've changed one of them. So let's try switching the blower and see if that works. So this is what I've got. Let's have a look at it. That's what we got there. So rather than me just taking out the old one, I'm going to actually just plug this one in with the new resistor and see if this works before I go ahead and take the other one out. Makes sense to do that, save a lot of time as well. Fingers crossed it works, and then I can drop off the car to him today and another car will be sold. So let's get it sorted. I am buying a Fiat again, 100%. Right, guys, it is Monday morning, continuing the video from the other day, as you can see. Let me show you where I got to. Right, as you can see, we are taking off the radio. As you can see, I am trying my luck. I've done that. I've messed around the fuses, still not working. So I am trying my luck, taking off this panel, checking that this is even connected in. If not, I'm going to try and order another panel from eBay and switch it over. I've got till tomorrow, Tuesday, to try and get this car sorted. And if not, I'm going to just have to give the guy a refund or see if he's going to take something else of mine. Fingers crossed I get it done though. Right, simple problem. Obviously, I've taken this apart. Now, let me demonstrate how this actually works. So, like I said, this is the positive or this is a negative, and each one of these are positives. So, let's say positive 1 is obviously a less positive all the way down to 4, so more positive. So, check it out. Okay, keys turned off. First of all, as you can see, I've got a new motor in there. Annoying, I was hoping it wasn't that, because that's cost me, I think, about £80. Absolutely annoying, depressing, frustrating. It is what it is. But get to here, keys on. See that? You can hear it. You can hear it. Now basically all that is just little simple connectors. There you go. 4. Okay, we don't want to break anything, so keep it on there. Okay, so that's it. Problem solved. Problem was obviously the old blower. Right, guys, everything's going back into place. Perfect. Just left to put the panel back on and quick test and should be done. Right, guys, moment of truth. Just turn the key on. It's working. Yeah, don't want to be that bastard. So yeah, she's working. Let's try on the lower setting. Yeah, she's good. Perfect, sorted. Right, guys, she's done. Problem solved. Really happy with that. car can get dropped off. Spoken to the guy now. He's looking forward to getting the car. I will be dropping this car off at 4 o'clock, just before 4. And yeah, he's manager for KFC as well. So I'm going to be getting a wicked variety bucket with 8 extra hot wings. Damn, boy. Man, excited for that because I've been working on this car since fucking Friday. So he calls me on, what was it? He calls me on Thursday. Yo, bro, someone crashed into the back of my car. Have you got any cars that I can take off your hands? I said, yeah, I've got this, I've got this, I've got this. He said, nah, I'm not looking for Pixels or all them small little cars. He said, I need something a little bit sporty. And I thought, you know, I got the Punto. Had it out for about £1,400. It didn't sell, to be honest with you. So I didn't bother relisting it. I said to him, you could take it for £1,200. It owes me, I think it owes me about £1,100 or £1,050 or something. I then obviously needed to get it fixed, which it wasn't working. So what I had ended up doing was going to buy the new motor for the new blower motor, as well as a resistor, which is one of these things here. And I already had ordered one on eBay for I think about £3 anyway. So stuck it in, it wasn't working. I thought, let me go and get one from Euro Car Parts. It might work. Maybe that one was faulty. However, it turned out to be the blower. The blower was actually wrong. I did fit the blower in again to try it, which it wasn't working. So I was still here looking around and figuring out what could be the problem. Took the dash part, as you see in the switches, that didn't work. Turned out that there was a blown fuse. Even though the fuse looked all right, it turned out that there was a blown fuse that was wrong. And then obviously I replaced, just took a picture of it, swapped all the fuses around. It turned out that even though the fuse looked all right, it was just faulty. So yep, it's fixed now. And yeah, let's get this car cleaned up, get my tools packed up, get in the Mercedes, and go and get some fuses and refuse the car and then drop it off. So yeah, job done. Stay focused, stay determined, and don't give up. You will get there. I know it's taken me about 3 days to do it, but I have done it, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Give us a thumbs up for the hard work that I have put in. I deserve it. I really do in this one. So yeah, job done. Another car sold. Let's move on to the next.